Looking for a fun, mess-free way to enjoy s'mores indoors? This 2-in-1 electric s'mores maker and chocolate fondue pot from CHOCOSMORE might be exactly what your movie nights have been missing. This tabletop kit comes with a flameless, temperature-controlled heater, 4 roasting forks, detachable food trays, and a 12-ounce melting bowl. It works as both a s'mores roaster and a chocolate fondue pot, perfect for marshmallows, fruit, pretzels, and candies. With 3 heat settings, marshmallows roast evenly in under a minute, no open flame needed. What I really like is how safe and easy it is to use, especially for families. The compact design fits nicely on any table, cleanup is simple, and the heat-resistant materials feel durable. It also creates a cozy, campfire-style vibe indoors, which is great for game nights or date nights. On the downside, the 280-watt power means it's not meant for large groups, and the plastic parts can feel lightweight compared to traditional fondue sets. Overall, if you want a fun, safe, and affordable indoor s'mores experience, this CHOCOSMORE 2-in-1 maker is a solid pick, and it also makes a great housewarming or gift idea. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech and home product reviews.